LEMO's REDEL 2P high-voltage connectors are compact, lightweight, and robust connectors for applications up to 5 kilovolts, supporting industrial, robotics, and medical applications. LEMO's REDEL 2P high-voltage connectors are offered with 26 or 34 high-density contacts in an 18mm diameter body, providing a high-performance interconnect solution for applications with limited space. They also incorporate robust protections to protect users and equipment from high voltages. The connectors are easy to install and feature LEMO's push-pull self-latching system for secure and effortless mating. The wide range of keying and color coding options prevents mismating in multi-connector applications, and the multiple keyways support blind mating. LEMO's REDEL 2P high-voltage connectors can operate at up to 170 degrees Celsius, are fully sterilizable, support thousands of mating cycles, and have available IP66 sealing for splash-proofing in wet environments.